This gun certainly needs no introduction into the UK, the Mossberg pump action 410. It does come in other calibers, 410, 20 bore and 12 bore, but one that's more famous throughout the gamekeeping community, vermin control, is the 410, which comes as a standard 410 like this, or as it's also known, with the Hushpower sound moderator. We sell these guns to Hushpower down in Kent, and they then convert these and add a moderator to them and sell them on into the market. This shotgun is superb. It's just been around forever. They never break, they don't wear out, just seems to fit everyone. You've got a top tank safety, 3-shot or 5-shot, a nice ventilated rib.
Why would you choose a little pump action like that over a semi-auto?
That is a very good question, and that's probably at the heart of its popularity. With a semi-auto 410, they're very, very ammunition sensitive, especially as most are made in America. They're made for American cartridges. Our cartridges over here are slightly different. We tend to use roll turnover crimps. These will then cause problems in semi-autos. With the pump action, you're not relying on gas, or the gas is produced to cycle the action. It's just done manually by your hand, that simple. We've only been bringing this gun in now for the last 12 months, and the demand is just constant. People just want, as they come into the keepering world, as they come into vermin control, the one thing they rely on and know throughout is Mossberg. Many other people have tried copying or doing something very similar, but they've never succeeded. Mossberg certainly has the name of reliability in that world. These are just over the £600 mark. £600 buys you a gun for a lifetime. You know, people in America buy, not just here, they buy them by the thousand, and they're still going today. Very rarely do they go wrong. There's not a lot to go wrong.